Acabemos con esto.
Let's go.
Déjalo sin dientes.
¡Wow! ¡No puedes conmigo!
¡Vuelve ahí! ¡Dale una paliza!
Chingada, este gringo sabe pelear, ¿eh?
Muéstrale al gringo quién manda.
¿Te gusta esto?
¡Gustavo! ¡Vuelve ahí! ¡A este gringo!
Ah, thanks, fellas.
Tú lo empezaste.
¡Véalo!
A ver cómo te sales de esta.
¡Rúmpele el brazo!
¿Qué tal esto?
Asshole, let go of me.
¡Dale!
¡Agárrenmelo!
Right back at you.
¡Lucha como un hombre!
¡Elimínalo!
All right. You asked for it.
¡Dale una paliza, amigo!
¡Toma esto, pendejo!
¡Sí, Gustavo! ¡Derrota a ese gringo, amigo!
Come on, amigo.
Esto es por meterte con nosotros.
¡Dale!
Ahora sí, pendejo. Te vas a arrepentir.
¡Puedes hacerlo!
Shit.
¡Te voy a matar, come mierda!
¡Acaba con él!
Te voy a cerrar la bocota, gringo.
Get off of me.
¡Ya basta!
My turn.
¡Sí, Gustavo!
¡Ya basta, idiota! ¡Suéltame!
Hey, we weren't fighting. Huh? Right, little guy?
Te voy a matar, gringo, come mierda.
Hey, give me a call when you're tall enough to ride the rides.
Te voy a sacar a tiras por el culo.
¡Solitaria! ¡Cállalo!
Te voy a estar esperando aquí, ¿eh?
Abre.
Come on. How long am I supposed to be in here? Huh? Where's the toilet?
You looking at it. Have fun.
I will. Gracias.
Get up.
Man, I was having a great dream, too. Ah, hey. All right, easy. Ah. All right, cálmate.
Por favor. No me dejes allá adentro de nuevo. Es por tu culpa, pendejo.
Hey, any chance I can take a shower?
Cállate.
Morning, boys. Or is it the evening? It's hard to tell down here.
Oye, idiota. Get up the stairs.
Esos dos tienen todo.
Viene saliendo un prisionero. Abran la reja.
Una semana. Qué generosos. Son tipos
Hey,
generosos.
nice to see you. Right. Humid.
Ah, welcome to Panama.
¡Hey, gringo! Vi lo que hiciste a Gustavo.
Tengo un cuchillo que tiene tu nombre, amigo. Te lo
Hey,
mostraré
Vargas.
cuando regreses.
Déjanoslo a nosotros. Nos encargamos
Atrás.
de él.
Muévanse. Quítense, cabrones.
Hey, tranquilízate.
Looks like you have some fans.
Yeah, my adoring public.
Go. Abre la reja.
¿A dónde lo llevas?
Es una sorpresa.
Diviértete.
You speak a little Spanish, you know. Wait, what did you say?
You'll find out soon enough.
Te lo advertí. Pero no escuchaste.
está mirando?
Nada, amigo. Nothing.
Atrás. De este me encargo yo.
Bien.
Where are you taking me anyway?
You'll see. No, not that way.
Oh, all right.
After you.
Yeah, this isn't sketchy at all. Hey, you know, this doesn't look like the warden's office.
Go left.
Yeah, I'm on it.
Through there. Here we are.
All right. Hey, take these cuffs off or what?
I want in.
In?
Whatever you hope to find up there, I want in.
No, come on, Vargas. The deal was just to get us in and out of here. That's it.
Just? I'm sticking my neck out for you gringos.
Yeah, and Rafe is paying you a lot of money for your trouble.
See? But not nearly enough.
You were told not to open that.
Yes. I was also told not to take bribes, not to bring anyone here, and not to beat on my inmates. But here we are.
All right, just be careful with that. It's 300 years old.
I was a member of Captain Henry Avery's crew. You know who that is?
He was a pirate.
The pirate who pulled off the biggest heist in history and got away with it. I looked him up.
That's great.
Over
Can we-
$400 million worth of gold and jewels, all from one single ship. The Gunsway.
Yeah. I'm familiar with the story. Can you get to the point?
I occupied the highest cell in the Spaniards' prison. Here. I hope someday you will find your way into this infernal place, bear my cross, and discover the riches of paradise.
What? What do you want?
The riches of paradise.
It's a metaphor.
No. You and your friends did not pay to get into this infernal place in search of a metaphor. I want in.
Right. I'll tell you what. Let me go up there, check out the prison cell. If there's still anything there after 300 years, you can take this up with Rafe. Now, come on. Letter. Por favor.
How you gonna get up there anyways?
Climb. Oh, unless, of course, you want to do it, since you want in and all.
Just don't break your neck.
That's the plan. Hey, did you bring what I asked?
Yeah, eat it just over there, under the work table, by the crates.
Great, thanks. There we go, piece of cake. Bingo. Now we're in business. All right, this should do the trick. There's the prison cell. How do I get up there? go. Here we go. Looks like I can slide down there. Look on that post. Probably. Wait till Sam hears about this. Onward and upward. Now, gotta find the highest cell. These Burns had a nice view before he was executed. Oh, shit! Hard to believe there were dozens of pirates holed up in here, just waiting to be hanged. Okay, where to? Gotta find a way out. Can barely believe this place is still standing. Spanish sure knew how to build a sturdy prison. Wonder how many pirates died here. Alright, not gonna lie. This is pretty awesome. Oh man, Sam is missing out. Here we go. Burns' cell. Cell? More like a suite. Okay. Where to begin? Sun and moon. Alchemy symbols for gold and silver. Wait a sec. I saw something like this on the letter. Huh. Well, that's part of the symbol. Ah, there's the other half. Now then. That's more like it. Okay, got a zodiac symbol. Sagittarius. And the Scorpio sign. Roman numeral 2. Ah, nope. Did I miss something on the letter? Sagittarius. Roman numeral 10. All these squiggles and scratches must mean something. That's not it. Roman numeral 2. No? Oh, where's that Sagittarius symbol? Sagittarius. Roman numeral 10. It's not this one either. Nothing. Yeah, I should look at that letter again. Ah, nope. No? That's not it. Yeah, I should look at that letter again. It's not this one either. Nothing. Ah, nope. Yeah, I should look at that letter again. The Scorpio sign. And a Roman numeral, 2. That's not it. It's not this one either. Yeah, I should look at that letter again. Nothing. Ah, nope. digna factis recipimus. Guess this is it. All right. Time to head back. Come on! Gotta watch that first step. Down we go. Huh. Now... Whoa! Careful. One more time. Yeah, let's see Rafe do that. There goes my shoulder. There's Vargas. I want a cut. I want in. I'll give you in. Oh, crap. No. Whoa! Made it. Now we're talking.
You made it. What'd you find? Greg? What?
Place was picked clean. If there's a clue hidden up there somewhere, I couldn't find it.
Are you sure? Were you looking in the right place?
Maybe I missed something in the letter. There could have been another tower that collapsed centuries ago.
Mierda.
There any plans to this place? You know, like blueprints?
Could be. There's a bunch of old files.
Okay, great. Go look through those, okay? See what you can dig up. Meanwhile, I'll talk to Sam. He's our Avery expert. Maybe he can make sense of this whole mess.
Right. I'll look through the files.
Yeah.
Turn around.
Yeah.
All right. When you're done talking to him, come and find me.
You got it.
Gringo, if I catch you fighting one more time, 1 week in the hole for you.
It's a nice acting, Vargas. Almost as good as mine.
Que puedo decir, eh? Suerte de principiante, ¿verdad? I'll work it out with Vargas. Don't sweat it. Right now, let's get on to more important matters.
All right. Let's find somewhere a little more, private.
Yeah.
All right, coast is clear.
Okay, so what do we got?
Oh, shit. Huh? Hey,
May I?
just be careful, okay?
Wood with gold and silver inlay. It's well made. It's hollow. Why would one of Avery's men go through the trouble of hiding a cheap crucifix?
It's not a crucifix. Technically, a crucifix is a representation of Jesus. It's not Jesus.
Well, you're right. There's no crown of thorns. He's tied to the cross. Well, if it's not Jesus, then...
Read the inscription.
Digna factus recipimus. We receive...
We receive the due rewards of our deeds.
Look at you.
It's a benefit of growing up in a Catholic orphanage. That's St. Dismas.
Yeah, the penitent thief. What's the connection?
Guys, let's just pretend I skipped all of Sunday school.
Okay, during the crucifixion, Jesus is placed between two thieves, okay? One of them mocked Jesus. The other one, this guy, was penitent. Okay? He accepted his punishment with grace.
And Jesus brought him to paradise.
Penitent thief.
Yeah. What? You figured it out?
There is a cathedral of St. Dismas in Scotland.
Wait, the last sighting of Avery was in Scotland.
It can't be a coincidence.
No.
You know, I had my doubts about you too, but... Let's find Vargas. Get the hell out of this shithole. Oh. Let me guess, this is the guy you picked a fight with?
Didn't know he had so many friends.
Te dije que no habíamos terminado.
Mira, ya nos ganaste, ¿ok?
Muy tarde para hablar. ¡Aquí no sales!
Hey, you know what?
Tú no te metas.
Okay.
Jesus, did you have to pick on the most popular guy in this joint?
I didn't hear you volunteer.
Guys, save it for later.
Siéntate!
How you doing, little brother?
Good. I'm good for now.
Remember, jab, jab, strike. Jab, jab, strike.
Pendejo.
Shit. We're not done here, guys.
Let's make this quick so we can get out of here.
Just prick off me.
Buenas noches.
Out of my purse!
Hora de irse, gringo.
Damn! Need some help here!
¿Estás muerto?
Hey, hey, get off!
Ay, espera.
Ya basta de hablar. Alguien más necesita que le recuerde las reglas. ¡Alíñense!
¿Qué es esto? ¿Eh?
Dame. Are you bringing in contraband?
Vargas.
¡Cállate! Who do you think you are? Llévalo a su celda. Trae a los gringos a mi oficina. Déjanos. Déjennos.
Took you long enough. We almost got killed, you know?
You still might.
Vargas? Seriously?
Oh, I didn't find anything. It must be in a different tower. Well?
What can I say? I was raised Catholic. I always carry one.
Funny.
Hey, look. It's worthless, all right?
You think I'm an idiot?
Okay, you want to renegotiate, fine. Stop acting like a third world thug. Put the gun away. Thank you. We're willing to give you 10%.
Think half.
We're doing most of the work, 20, and you'd never find it without us.
25 equals.
25. Does that sound fair, guys?
Suppose I can live with that.
Sure. I mean, 400 million divides nicely by 4.
Looks like we have a deal.
Yes, we have a deal. And if you ever cross me again...
Jesus.
That's that.
Are you out of your goddamn mind?
You want to find out?
Guys, what are we doing here?
We're sticking to the plan.
Was this part of the plan?
Just follow me.